Hi, this is Ms. Govan, and this week's technology assignment is to do a Google drawing. Now, your Google drawing can be many different things. This, for instance, the fourth graders will recognize as their Who Am I drawing that they did this year. But if you're not a fourth grader, you might want to try this assignment. The fifth graders might recognize this from last year. This is a personal logo where you could bring in frames and images and things that you like to do in a kind of personal logo. Sixth graders will recognize this assignment, which is the dream room assignment. So here's a student who used Google Drawing to create a fluffy couch, a shelf for trophies, a fire pit, a flat screen TV, a pool, and a goat. I'm going to discourage animals and bringing in images in Google bedrooms or dream rooms because they just don't look right from the top. Here's another student who used Google Drawing to make a camping spot. Brought in shapes to make a wood pile, shapes to make a tent, to make a fireplace with seats around it, and the end of a hiking trail. So there's lots of things you can do with Google Drawing. And what you want to do is you just want to go to the New button, and you click More, and you click Google Drawing. And what it'll open up is a sort of a drawing pad, and you know where your drawing pad is because it's checkerboard. Don't get off your checkerboard because it won't show when you save it as an image. And any Google drawing can be inserted as an image into a Google Doc or a Google slideshow or lots of different things. So let's just call this test drawing. And first thing you want to do is you want to grab a shape. You can grab shapes. Let's make our shape a circle. And we might want to turn that into a different color. So if you want to turn that into a different color, you've got to click on it so it's blue. And you go to the paint can. We'll make our circle purple. And so say that's the beginning of a dream room. I might want to put a floor below that. So I could, oops, I don't want a line. I could do a big shape. That's going to be my wooden floor. Now that's anything you lay down is going to go on top of the previous object, but you can fix that. I'll make that a wood color by going to Arrange, Order, Send to Back. So now I have a purple rug on top of a brown background. And it's that sort of thing where you can bring in a text box and you can say purple rug. And you can make your text a little bigger. And you can build it up that way. So you're bringing in shapes, you're bringing in words. You can even bring in pictures. You can search the web. Say I want to have a swimming pool, so I might say water. And now I'm looking at water from above. I want to look for water. Oh, there's a good one, water from above. And so I could click that and I could insert it. That's very big, so I want to make it smaller. And I could make that into like a hot tub. And if I do that, I could go to shapes, and some of the shapes are frames. So you can grab a frame. You can color it with the paint can. You can make it red. And there's your hot tub. And of course you would get a text box. And because the frame came in first, it is on top. Now, if you want to group things, you just highlight, that's highlighting the water. And then you come out here and you hit Shift and you highlight both of these. And then if you go to Arrange, you can, oops, you should be able to group them. Let's try that again. There's that, and I hit Shift, and I've got the red, and I go to Arrange, and I can group them. And then I can move this around together, and I can even make it smaller together. So once they're grouped, they become a single object. And that's what your assignment, should you choose to accept it this week, is to do a Google drawing of anything you want. You can do a logo for yourself. You can do a dream room or a camp spot. Or you can do a speech bubble, Who Am I? Where you bring in a picture of yourself in the middle and then you insert 5 speech bubbles that talk about you. 4th grade probably doesn't want to do that because they've already done that this year. But those are some of the assignments. Any questions, and good luck. Put your Google Drawing in your STEM portfolio.